All right, guys, for your word cloud assignment, we're going to go through a demonstration so that you guys can see what all is required and how it's going to be graded, and then also get a little tutorial on how to use this website. So a word cloud is exactly what it sounds like. It's going to be a segment or area of words that are formed all together to create either a recognizable object, or it can be done as a speech bubble. So for your word cloud, your first requirement is that you have to have no less than 20 words, okay? And those are going to be about you. So you can give words about your personality, your favorite foods, colors, what sports you might be interested in, an instrument that you play, your favorite vacation destination, lots of different things. So you're going to have all of those 20 words, and yes, you can go more, but you cannot go less than 20, right? The next requirement is that we need your word cloud to be in color. So I'm going to show you an easy way to be able to do that through a website, but it should be in color. The third requirement is that your word cloud has to be either as a speech bubble coming out of the mouth of a character or yourself, or it should be a recognizable shape. If you choose to do it as a speech bubble, you can take a side view picture of yourself and use that, where it has the person and then the bubble of words would be coming out of your mouth. You can use a cartoon picture that you find online, so that could be done that way. Or you're going to be able to use my website that I'm going to show you to create yours into one of the shapes like you see in the examples here. Okay, you are definitely welcome to do your word cloud through this website, or you can create your own using Notability, and you would be able to write the words into a particular shape. Okay, so if you choose to use this website, I'm going to show you how it's used. So when you get into the website, it's going to have an example on there already for you. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go into shape and select shape. If you choose one of these gray options, you'll be able to select the color pattern that you would like to use, okay? So if I pick this one here, I could then go to colors, and I could choose which colors. I could get rid of colors, I could add more. I could even go in and choose one of the different themes already set for me, and then I can hit apply to be able to apply that to that shape. If you don't want to do the extra step of changing the colors, when you go into select shape, move to the second tab, and you will see already hundreds, and they take a while to load, hundreds of different images that are already preset into colors for you, okay? So if I pick an object, it's going to then put my words into those areas where the color of the item is, and there is going to be a little bit of an overlap. Okay, so once I have my shape that I want, then I'm going to go into the word list and hit edit. Okay, when you get in there, right now there's 138 words in here. We need to get rid of those. So we're going to use the little trash can to delete all of the words and hit OK. Then to add my 20 words, I'm going to hit the plus sign. The weight of the word is how big it's going to be. So the bigger the size, the more important that word is. If you go bigger than 25, then you're going to have a little bit of trouble with your words fitting all the way into the object. Okay, so I'm going to bump mine down a little bit, and maybe I'm going to choose to put my name in there. Okay, if you choose to put your name, your first name or your first and last name, that only counts as one word though. Okay, I'm going to pick another one. Again, I can change my font size. It's going to put the words in order of that weight size that you're doing. Okay, and again, I'm going to keep adding words until I get to 20 of them. Okay, now, right now I only have 3, and it's really nice because right here it's keeping track, so you don't have to worry about counting how many you have. You're going to go until you have 20 different words, okay? Once I have them, and again, if you use a phrase of 2 words, Like volleyball coach, that still only counts as one word in of the 20, okay? So once I have my list of 20, I am going to come up to the top and I'm gonna make sure to hit apply. After I apply them, the words, even when there's 20, they're not gonna fill your shape all the way. So once you have your 20 words, come up to this top left and toggle repeat words on. And it's gonna take your 20 words and scatter them all over the shape for you, okay? So that will help to fill it in and make it look more complete. Once you've done that and you've got your 20 words, you've hit repeat words so that it is all over your shape, you then need to save your object, okay? So you're gonna go to File, just pick the first one, Save Image, leave it here as a JPEG, hit Save. It's telling me that that format may have words that are not supported because of not the background color being changed. So you can save it as either. I will still be able to see your shape when you do that. So if I choose to save it as a PNG or a JPEG, it will still save either way. Okay, then it's gonna put it into the downloads of your Safari browser. So you're gonna have to come to your little downward facing arrow that I see in the top right hand corner, and I'm gonna click on my object. Once this opens up, you will have an arrow at the top of your screen. Since I'm doing this on the computer, I'm not gonna have the same arrow right now that you'll see on your iPad. You'll be able to see the arrow, and then you're gonna be able to see the icons for Canvas, and you'll be able to submit it there, okay? You also could save it into your camera roll at that point and submit that way. Whichever you like to do, either will work, okay? But I wanna make sure that I get this submitted into Canvas. And you'll notice how the background is kind of the darker black. That's okay, even if you used a black font in your words, I will still be able to see the shape of things, okay, as we work through those, okay? Once you get it done, you're gonna put it into Canvas, make sure that you get it submitted today. The due date for this assignment is today, and you're gonna have your whole class period to be able to work on this.